This is your 2024 computer application paper. This is section A is 40 mark, MCQ 20 mark and question 2 output base is 20 mark. First we will do this MCQ. After completion of 20 MCQ, I will show you the answer with explanation. First one. See, let's start. Write your answer only. Question given. This is the picture given. Consider the above picture and choose the correct statement from the following. A. Polygon is the object and the pictures are class. Polygon object, pictures are class. Both polygon and the pictures are class. Both polygon and pictures are class. Polygon is the class and the pictures are object. Polygon class, pictures are object. Both polygon and the pictures are object. Both polygon and pictures are object. Write your answer, only option. Next one. Int x equal to 98, char ch equal to char x. What is the value of ch? You have to find the value of ch. This one. What will be the value of ch? Small b, capital A, capital B, 97. Write your answer. The output of the statement concentration dot index of T. Concentration is the word. We have to write the index of T. Option. This is your 9, 7, 6, minus 1. Write your answer. The access specifier that gives least accessibility is package, public, protected, private. Least accessibility, access specifier. The output of the statement talent dot compared to genius. Talent dot compared to genius. Talent is the one word, genius is the another word. You have to compare these two words. What will be the output? 11 minus 11, 0, 13. Which of the following is an escape sequence character in Java? /n, /t, /t, double /n. If A greater than B and B greater than C, then largest number. A greater than B and B greater than C, then largest number. B, C, A, wrong expression. What is the output of math.sil 5.4 plus math.sil 4.5? 10.0, 11.0, 12.0, 9.0. Which is the method to check whether a character is a letter or digit? This is digit char, is letter or digit, is letter digit char, is letter digit char. This is small case and uppercase mixed. You have to write the answer. The extension of a Java source code file is dash exe obj jvm java. The number of bytes occupied by a character array of 4 rows and 3 columns. 4 rows and 3 columns. Character array. What will be the number of bytes? What will be the number of bytes by a character array of 4 rows and 3 columns? 12, 24, 96, 48. Which of the following data type cannot be used with switch case construct? Int, char, string, double. Which of the following are entry control loop? For, while, do while, switch. Only one, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 3 and 4. Method which reverse a given number. Method which reverse a given number. Impair, pair, constructor, destructor. If the name of the class yellow, what can be the possible name for its constructors? If the class name is yellow, what will be the constructor name? Small case yellow, capital all capital yellow, Y capital, here Y capital, this is L, this is Y capital yellow. Class name is your Y capital and yellow. So what will be the constructor name? Invoking a method by passing the objects of a class is termed as dash. invoking a method by passing the object. Call by reference, call by value, call by method, call by constructor. The correct statement to create an object named mango of class fruit. Class name is fruit, object name is mango. Class name fruit, object name mango. What will be the statement to create an object? These are the options. Think, write your answer. Static method can assess static and instance variable. Static variable can be assessed only by static method. Assertion and reason both are correct. Assertion true, reason false. Assertion is false and reason true. Assertion and reason both are false. What is the output of the Java code given below? String color equal to blue, red, violet. SOPLN color2 dot length. Color2 dot length. What will be the length of the color2? 6, 5, 3, 2. Which of the following mathematical methods return only an integer? Math.ceil, math.sqt, math.floor, math.round. Okay, over. Now let us check the answer. Now come to the answer. Answer is your option C. Polygon is the class and the pictures are object. This is your triangle, parallelogram and pentagon. All these are polygon. So class is polygon and all these figures are object. What is class? Class contains class is a blueprint or template that defines the properties and behavior of object, and object contains the characteristics and behavior defined by the class. So class is the polygon and all these are polygon, so these are object of the class polygon. Now next question. Next question is your x equal to 98 char ch. Char ch is your ASCII value of small case to small z is 97 to 122 and ASCII value of capital A to capital Z is 65 to 90. Now x equal to 98 char x means character value of 98 is your small b. So ch equal is your small b. Now concentration. Index of C is 0, index of T is 6. So index of T means first occurrence of T. Here is also T. This is last index of T. This one. This is your index of T means first occurrence of T. This is your 6. If the character is not found, it returns -1. That means if it is index of G, here G is not found, so output will be -1. If this is your king and the access specifier that gives least accessibility, public is the highest accessibility and private is the least accessibility. Public, protected, private. Private is least accessibility, public is highest accessibility and protected accessible by subclass only. Then the output of the statement talent dot compared to genius. Talent dot compared to genius compared to strings. This is compared to function compared to strings lexicographically. Lexicographically means like a dictionary. It first checks this is T and G different. Then it find the difference of ASCII code of T minus ASCII code of G. That is your ASCII code of T is 116, ASCII code of G is 103. So this is your minus is 13. If there is here, this is king and this is your kingdom. What will be the output? This is king and this is your kingdom. The output will be length of kingdom minus length of length of king minus length of kingdom. That is 3 minus 7 minus 4, that will be. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is which of the following is an escape sequence character in Java? This is your / n / backspace character escape sequence character is your backspace. This is backward slash is the escape sequence character. Backslash n is for new line, this is for tab, this is for backslash, this is for single quote, this is for double quote, and this is for backspace. Backslash t is the escape sequence character. All these are invalid. This is your forward slash. A greater than B and B greater than C. The largest number is what? This is your answer is A. This is AND operator, means both are correct. If this is both are correct, AND operator is your true. That means A greater than B and B greater than C, both are true, then this is your true. So this is your answer is A. Largest number is A. What is the output of math.ceil 5.4 plus math.ceil 4.5? This is 5. Math.ceil means your upper and math.floor means lower. This is math.ceil 5.4 means it will be 6.0. If it is my math.floor 5.4, then this will be 5.0. Now this is math.ceil 5.4 means your 6.0, and this is 4.5 means your 5.0. Ceil means upper, floor means lower. This is your 11.0. The output always in double. Ceil output always in double. What is the method to check whether character is a letter or digit? This one. These two B and C both are same, but here is care. So this is job. Answer is this one. This is the syntax to check a letter is digit or not. Is digit, it will check this is your digit or not. Is letter or digit check, that means it check letter or digit. The extension of a Java source code file. Extension of Java source code file is your Java. This is your Java. The number of bytes occupied by a character array of 4 rows and 3 columns. 4 rows and 3 columns. What is the size of a character? Size of character is 2 byte. 4 rows and 3 columns means there are 12 characters. So size of the array is 2 into 12, 24. 24 byte is the size of the character array. Now this is 12. Which of the following data type cannot be used with switch case statement? Double cannot be used with switch case statement. Int, case, string can be used, but double cannot be used in switch case statement. Next, which of the following are entry control loops? For loop, while loop, entry control loop, do while loop, exit control loop. Switch is not a loop. So 1 and 2. Method which reverse a given number. This is your pair method. Method which gives a number. What is pair method? What is impair method? This is your pair method. A pair method in Java is a method that returns a value based only on its input arguments. Does not modify an external variables or system state. Does not change any class, fields or input values. Reversing a number. In this case, reversing a number, a pair method accepts the number as input and return its reverse from without altering any external state. It does not change the original. So this is your pair method. Reversing a number, a pair method accepts the number as input and returns its reverse from without altering any external state. So this is your pair method. If the name of the class yellow, what can be possible name for its constructor? Class name and constructor name is always same. So this is yellow means constructor name also yellow. That is on D. Next. Invoking a method by passing the object of a class is termed as dash. Object, invoking an object. So this is your call by reference. There are two types of call by reference and call by value. Call by value passes primitive data type. Call by reference passes non-primitive data type. That is your object, or this is object is your non-primitive data type. So this is your call by reference. Next question, the correct statement to create an object name mango of class fruit. Syntax is object, syntax is your class name, object name equal to new class name. Class name is here, what is object name mango, class name fruit. So this is class name, object name equal to new, then class name, common bracket, semicolon. This is the correct syntax to create an object. Next question, assertion A, static method can access static and a instance variable. Static method can access static and instance variable. No, static method cannot access instance variable. So in public static void main we use object, through object we can access the instance variable. Static method cannot access the instance variable. So this is false. Static variable can be accessed only by static method. Now this is also false. Static variable can be accessed by static method and non-static method. Static variable can be accessed by static method and non-static method. Here given only by static method. So this is also false. So fourth one false. Next 19. What is the output of the Java code given below? This is your color 2 means this is color 0, this is color 1, this is color 2, this is color 2. So length of the color 2 is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are length is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your 6. Number of characters 6. Length means this is 6 is the answer. Color 2 means this one. This is color 0, this is color 1, this is color 2. 20. Which of the following mathematical methods returns only an integer? This is ceil, sqrt and floor. All these returns double type data value output. Math.round returns integer. Math.round 5.6 means your 6. 5.7 means 6. But math.ceil 5.6 means 6.0. Math.sqrt 25 means 5.0. Math.floor 5.7 means 5.0. So all these are 20 questions over. Now come to the